O Mother Vrindavan, O Brindatavi Mata, Brindatavi Mata, O Mother Vrindavan, you are my only life and soul. That's Ekam Mam Jivatur. Shri Brindatavi Mata Ekam Mam Jivatur. That Jiva, life. Mam, my life. Ek, one, me, life. My one life. Ekam Mam Jivatur. Shri Brindatavi Mata. Oh, Shri Brindatavi Mata. Oh, Mata. Oh, Mata. We always say, every little child grows up, Mat, Papa, 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 Mata, Mata. You say, Mata, Papa, Chordye. Vrindavan Jai Aenge. And then we have a new mother, Mother Vrindavan, Shri Brindatavi Mata. Oh, Shri Brindatavi Mata. Ekam Mam Jivatur, Shri Brindatavi Mata, Ekam Mam Jivatur. You're my only life. And then the other part, Sanskrit I don't have, but it says, out of affection, please be kind and affectionate to me and drag me from my so-called friends and my relatives and keep me on your lap. That's from Vrindavan Mahimamrita 133.